Hi guys, welcome back to Math with Marilyn. Before we get started, make sure to grab a pencil and paper so that you can take proper notes as you follow along. So today we're going to use place value to multiply two numbers. Alright, so our two numbers are 368 and we're going to multiply that by 7. So I'm going to set this up so that I can write it easily. So I'm going to put my 7 on the outside of my rectangular box. And then I'm going to break 368 into 3 different parts. Because in the number 368, 3 actually represents 300. The 6, because of the place that it's in, represents the 10 place. So that is 60. And the 8 that's in the 1 place just represents 8 units. Alright, so 368 can also be broken down like you see here by using your rules for place value. Alright, and now you can take each section and multiply them by 7, and then you will add, I'm going to use a different color pen here, then you can add everything together to come up with your final solution. Alright, so let's do that. So 300 times 7 gives me 7 times 0 is 0, 7 times another 0 is 0, and 7 times 3 is 21. So that gives me 2100. Alright, moving on to the 60 times 7. You have 7 times 0 is 0, 7 times 6 is 42. So that gives me 420. And then lastly over here we have 8 times 7, which gives me 56. Alright, once you've done the multiplication, then you simply add each part together. I'm going to rewrite this over here so it's going downwards. So I have 2100 plus 420 plus 56. Alright, so I got 0 plus 0 plus 6 gives me 6. 2 plus 5 plus the 0 obviously gives me 7. 1 plus 4 is 5. And then I just bring down my 2 because there is nothing to add to that. So 368 times 7 gives me 2,576. And I figured that out by using my rules for place value. Again, 368 can be broken down because my 3 represents 300. My 6 is in the 10 spot, so it represents 60. And my 8 is in the 1 spot, so it represents 8 units. You can actually check this. Let's check this by using what most people would consider the traditional way. So if I set this up like that, which is how most of us would probably solve this, then I can just work my way through it and see if I come out with the same answer. Well, 7 times 8 gives me 56. I'm going to carry my 5. 7 times 6 gives me 42, plus my 5 gives me 47. I'm going to write my 7 here and carry my 4. And then 7 times 3 gives me 21, plus my 4 gives me 25. So as you can see, we come up with the same answer using 2 different methods. Sometimes using a place value is easier for kids because it's broken down into multiples of 10, which can sometimes, well, most of the time are easier numbers to work with. So hopefully that was helpful. Again, that was multiplying numbers using our rules for place value. Um, if you have any questions, please leave them below this video. Don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to my channel, Math with Marilyn. See you next time.